So in this problem, the height of the roller coaster is x. And we have ourselves a right triangle in which we can use SOHCAHTOA, right triangle trigonometry. So when we use trig ratios, we need to decide three things. Are we using a sine ratio of 45 degrees for this triangle, or a cosine ratio, or a tangent ratio? And depending on which one we use, that will determine what values go in the numerator and denominator of our ratio. So when we're at 45 degrees, 438 feet and x feet are our two sides. We are not using opposite, which means we're using adjacent and hypotenuse, which means this will be a cosine ratio. So cosine of 45 degrees is the adjacent side divided by the hypotenuse, x over 438. Isolating x, we'll get rid of divide by 438 by multiplying by 438. And we'll do that to both sides. So x is exactly equal to 438 times cosine of 45 degrees, which is approximately 309.713 feet. Looking at the picture, this certainly seems reasonable. Alright, but this problem asked us to use two different methods. So what could the other possible method be? Well, this right triangle is 45 degrees, 90, 45, so it's a special. Therefore, how do you go from hypotenuse to the leg? We know that in the 45, 90, 45, if you know the leg, we multiply by root 2 to get the hypotenuse. So going backwards, if we know the hypotenuse, 438, to get the leg, we'll divide by root 2. So that's the other way we do this problem. So x is 438 divided by root 2, which we know is half of that number, 219 root 2, with the denominator rationalized. And you shouldn't be surprised that this is 309.713. So using the trig ratio, cosine, or using the special right triangles, hypotenuse divided by root 2 is equal to the leg. Those are the two different methods for finding x. I hope this helped.